Hey, what's up guys and gals? In this video, I want to show you how to apply multiple nested styles. So we're going to have multiple character styles built into this paragraph style. Now, I've already created some styles for time's sake. So the paragraph style that's already applied is the course description complex paragraph style. And then what we're going to do, if you look at these character styles here, you can see I have one for course number, course name, prerequisites, and credits. And we want to be able to apply those character styles to this paragraph style automatically. I mean, if we have listings, restaurant listings, or in this case like a catalog of courses, we don't want to have to go in here and highlight the course number, the course name, the prerequisite for all of those listings. That would take forever. So what we do is apply a base paragraph style, which is what we've already done, and then we're going to edit this paragraph style to contain multiple, edit this paragraph style to contain multiple character styles. So let's take a look at that. I'm going to right click on where it says course description, and I'm going to edit it. So I right click, edit, and now I'm going to go down to where it says drop caps and nested styles. So I'm going to bypass drop caps and I'm going to go to nested styles. So now it's asking me, what do you want to happen first? So I'm going to say, let's create a new nested style. And the first thing that I want to happen is that I want this course number to have some type of character style. Now I have pre-built these. I've pre-built a character style called course number. If I hadn't, I could just go to new character style and build one on the fly. But in this case, I've already built one. So I'm going to apply the course number first. Okay, and even as I start to click off, see how I clicked in this little area here, and you can see over here that it's starting to apply that character style. Now, it's asking me, what do you want to do next? Do you want to go through or do you want to go up to a certain character? Now, if we look at our text, you can see there's a delimiter here. There's an end space. Now, this could be a dash, it could be a colon, it could have been whatever we wanted it to be. In this example, we used an end space to tell it where to stop. So I want to go through, let me zoom in on this. I want the course number to be applied through one end space. So I'm going to click on where it says words, and then I'll go down and I'll select end space. And then I'll just kind of click in this little empty area out here to apply it. Okay, and you can even see here, see how it's starting to, how it went through the end space, and then now it's like, okay, what else happens? So the course name appears next, right, in each listing. So I'm going to go back to my nested style, and I'm just going to create another one, new nested style, and this one is going to be course name. I've already built this character style. If I didn't, I could just say new character style again. So what do I want? Where do I want it to stop? So let's just move this box out the way. So I want to apply the course name. Now, last time I went through in end space. Now I'm going to go up to this parenthesis, right? So let me show you how to do that. So instead of through, the other option is to go up to one. Now notice if you click on this, you don't see parenthesis here. That's okay, because remember I said it could be anything. So I'm just going to highlight that, and I'm just going to type in a parenthesis. And then I'm going to click in the empty area, and you can start to see here's the course name going up to the parenthesis. Right? So now we need to add the prerequisite character style. So I'll go back to my paragraph style options, and I'm just going to create a new nested style, and the third one is going to be prerequisite. Okay, I'm going to select that, and let's see how far we want it to go. So I'll go through prerequisite, and then I'll go through the parenthesis. So I'm not going to go up to, because then it would stop at the one. So I'm going to go through the parenthesis. So through one, and we can just type in close parenthesis and just click anywhere in this empty area, and it will start to apply it. So now you can see it's starting to apply that text here. Matter of fact, let's kind of get out of this box so you can see it more clear. But you can see while we're in here, we have 3 character styles applied to this paragraph style called course description. So apply the paragraph style first, and then go down to drop caps and nested styles and build the character styles on top of those, on top of this paragraph style. So once I confirm that by saying OK, I'll just kind of click off so you can see here. But notice how it's doing it for all of the listings. So that's what we want. We don't want to have to highlight all of this text for each listing. Just think ahead of what you want to happen. Again, this delimiter doesn't have to be an end space. And if you're wondering where I got that end space from, if you go to type and you go to insert special character, or I'm sorry, insert white space, get here, and you can see here there's a lot of different things you could use. You can use an end space, an M space, you know, there's all kinds of spaces you can use, and like I said, you can just type in a character if you wanted to. But that's how you create multiple nested styles inside of one paragraph style.